Let us learn how I made this beautiful quote animation in Microsoft PowerPoint. So if you want to be an expert, watch the video till the end. Let's begin the topic. Here I have already taken a blank slide. I have to insert the picture, go to this device. Let me select the picture, click on insert, then go to crop, go to aspect ratio, make it 16:9 and place it like this. Click on outside and place the picture that it covers the whole slide. This is perfect. Let me zoom out, go to insert, go to shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box and write here the quote. Right here sum, change the font size from here. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here. Right here people and decrease the font size, increase this font size. Press Ctrl D to make it duplicate, place it here. Now the text has been placed perfectly. Now let me select the background shape and hold down the Ctrl key and select all of this text. Go to shape format, go to mask shape, click on subtract. Then let me select this one, go to shape fill, make it white fill color and go to shape effect, go to bevel, select the soft round. Then go to insert, go to shape, pick a text box right here, Bob, change the font and the font size and the font color. Press Ctrl D to duplicate, place it here, right here Marley and decrease the font size and place it here. Let me click on right button, make a duplicate slide. Let me go my first slide, select this one and place it here. Let me zoom out, select this one and place it here, this one over here, and let me increase the size and place it here. Then go my second slide, let me increase this one, the size, this one. Now select this one and this one, go to transition, click on morph. Now let me go my first slide, click on slideshow. This is looking perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.